Welcome to today's rest ritual by Zarine, trusting the body and the path. As we come to a close for the 2025 year, this is a perfect meditation to end the year. The essential oil of choice is either Copaiba or Balance by doTERRA. The theme for this meditation is rebuilding trust, listening inward, and surrender. We're going to acknowledge broken trust in the body, in plans, in certainty, and our focus is going to be on the spine, the pelvis area, and the heart. As we continue to rebuild trust in the body and our path, we must remember to reflect on the body as an ally, not an enemy. Just finding a comfortable seated position. Begin by placing a drop of Copaiba or Balance into the palm of your hands, rubbing it gently and taking a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly soften your eyes. This meditation is about rebuilding trust in your body, in your inner wisdom, in the path unfolding one step at a time. Begin by bringing awareness to your spine, your center line of support. Feel its steadiness, its sturdiness. When we come across ailments that are larger in size, for example, cancer, it can shake a trust so deeply, and that is something you are allowed to grieve. Bringing awareness to your pelvis and your hips, imagine roots growing downward, anchoring you to the earth, whether you are seated or lying down. Imagine those roots anchoring further and further, and silently say, I am supported. I am supported. I am supported. Bringing awareness to your heart, place a gentle hand either over your heart or imagine that gentle hand, that warmth on top of your heart. If there has been anger, disappointment, or fear toward your body, Let it be acknowledged without judgment. Now imagine your body responding with compassion, not perfection, but effort, wisdom, and care. Repeat slowly, my body is doing its best for me. I trust the wisdom within me. My body is doing the best for me. I trust the wisdom within me. My body is doing the best for me. I trust the wisdom within me. Notice how your breath naturally supports you, moment by moment, without being asked. Notice you do not need the whole map, only the next breath, only this stop. Saying to yourself, I do not need all the answers today. I do not need all the answers today. I do not need all the answers today. Take a moment to rest in this trust, in this wisdom from within. Know that your path is being guided by something greater, something bigger than you. Allow yourself to trust in it. Allow yourself to rebuild that trust in your body with compassion, without judgment, and without perfection. Allow that wisdom, that care, and that divine good. Allow yourself to trust and accept where you are today and where your body and mind may take you tomorrow. Allow your body to rest in that trust. Coming back to the awareness in your pelvis and your hips, that rooting, that grounding, that anchoring. Allow the trust and the breath to just spread through those areas, creating warmth, creating peace, creating additional support. Bringing back awareness to your spine. Allow its steadiness to flow through you. Allow that warmth to spread out from your heart. And just coming back to your breathing. And continuing to focus on the grounded, rooted wisdom within you, that trust that comes from around you. That wisdom that you do not need all the answers today. There are higher powers working for your divine spirit. Your body is doing the best it can today. Allow your breath to spread through each part of your body, acknowledging any broken trust and using your breath to rebuild. Allowing your body to surrender to something so much more powerful. Recognizing your body as an ally. Recognizing your breath as the beat within. Taking a few more inhales and exhales. And when you're ready, slowly awakening your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, and softly opening your eyes, and maybe taking a few more breaths of the blend from balance or Copaiba. And if it's open to you, maybe journaling a few of your thoughts, a few different ways that you can allow yourself to trust your body and the path it's on.